Drop an apple core in the bush and in a few weeks it is gone. Bacteria break it down. Drop a plastic bottle and come back in 100 years and it is still a plastic bottle. Polymers are unreactive and almost nothing in nature can digest them. But it does not stay whole either. Sunlight and waves and sand grind it apart into smaller and smaller pieces, not into different chemicals, into smaller bits of the same plastic. Below 5 millimeters, we call them microplastics, and they are now in soil, rivers, oceans, and rain. Now a small fish eats some. It cannot digest them and it cannot easily get rid of them, so they stay in its body. Every time it feeds, a little more collects. Over that animal's life, the amount inside it builds up. That buildup inside one organism is called bioaccumulation. Then something eats that fish. And it does not eat one, it eats hundreds over its life, and it keeps what was in all of them, so the concentration climbs at every step up the food chain. That increase from one level to the next is called biomagnification. Same particles, but far more concentrated in the animals at the top, which can include us. Do not mix those two words up. Bioaccumulation happens inside one animal over its life. Biomagnification happens between animals, going up the food chain. One is within, the other is between. Quick check. A seabird at the top of a food chain is found with far more microplastic than the plankton at the bottom. Which term describes that difference between levels, and which term describes the buildup inside the seabird over its own lifetime?